Good morning, friends. Today, in this lecture, we are discussing what is the environmental audit. In my last lecture, you have to learn what is the environmental impact assessment, what is the need of environmental impact assessment, what are the different methods for the environmental impact assessment, and what is the ideal environmental impact assessment. Today, in this lecture, you have to learn what is the environmental audit, what are the different types of environmental audit, what are the different components of audit, and what are the basic steps for the environmental audit. One by one, we have to discuss. First at all, you have to discuss environmental audit. Introduction. Main aim to quantify environmental performance and position of an industry or organization. It is done for improving performance and position. Act as tool for achieving sustainable development. According to United States Environmental Protection Agency, that is US EPA, environmental audit is a systematic, documented, periodic and objective review by a regulating entity of facilities, operations, and practices related to meeting environmental requirements. In year of 1992, 13 March, Government of India made mandatory for all industries and companies to provide annual environmental audit reports of their operations. Environmental audit provide answer to the following questions. Number one, what are we doing? Are we compliance with government regulations, guidelines, code of practices, permit conditions? Second, can we do it better? Are there non-regulating areas where operations can be improved to minimize the impact of environment? What are the different components of environmental audit? Number one, statement. It provides expert judgment, opinion on hazards, associated risks and management, and control measures related to environment. It also provides basis for recommendations to improve the organization's management system and environmental performances. Second, verification. It determines and documents performance by evaluating the application of and adherence to policies and procedures. It certifies validity of data and report, evaluates the effectiveness of management system. Then, what are the basic steps in audit process? It is most important because without any steps, we cannot further process. Number one, pre-audit activities means what are the different documents, data required for the audit is called as the pre-audit activities. Audit process, it is the very important process for audit purpose. And last is the post-audit activities. After doing the audit process, what are the remaining documents required that may be seen in post-audit activities? Then, what are the types of environmental audit? Number one, compliance audit. Second, environmental management audit. Number 3, due diligence audit. Number 4, supplies audit. Number 5, programs audit. Number 6, single issue audits. Number 7, risk definition or hazard identification. These are the types of environmental audit. It is very important for documentary purpose. Then, benefits of the auditing. There are various benefits of the environmental auditing. Number 1, ensuring compliance not only with laws, regulations, but also with company policies and requirements of the environment. Number 2, enabling environmental problems and risk to be anticipated and responses planned. Number 3, demonstrate organization impact on the environment. Increase management and employee awareness of environmental issues. More efficient resources use and financial savings. It also promotes good practices. It also providing better private and public image and security to top management. These are the benefits of the auditing. Have any questions? Dear friends, we learn what is the environmental impact assessment, what is the environmental audit. For environmental awareness, you know that there are three basic pollutions. Number 1, air pollution. Number 2, water pollution. Number 3, noise pollution. In environmental audit or process, you have to monitoring all activities related to these pollutants. For example, the pollution due to the water. The pollution due to the water may be caused due to the sanitation, water from the sanitation, water from the urinals, wastewater from the canals, and various industrial activities that may be escape water directly into the river. But as per the norms of the MPCB, that is the Maharashtra Pollution Control Board, second is the CPCB, that is the Central Pollution Commission Board, and WHO, that is the World Health Organization. These three bodies are very important for monitoring the environmental impact assessment and audit. Central Pollution Control Board is the national authority for taking the care about that issues. MPCB is the state quality monitoring body, also having the various activities related to the pollution issues. Second is the air pollutant. Due to the increased pollution and increase in the vehicle density, there are various air problems, that is primary air pollutant, secondary air pollutants that may be causes damage to the human activities, also aquatic life and material. There are various criteria or various limits for controlling the air pollutants by using some equipments like SPM 2.0, SPM 2.5, SPM 10. These are the equipments which can be used for the monitoring of the air quality. The main purpose of these equipments to identify the pollutants which may be escape in the air. As you know that there are primary air pollutants, secondary air pollutants. This causes adverse effect to the human body and material and aquatic life. So, as per the norms of the MPCB or CPCB, every industrial person or company persons have monitor once in the year, which is called as the environmental audit. Without audit, government should not permit to processing their material for certain years. So, environmental audit is a very important process in the world of environment. Certain awareness may be take place in the public sector as well as in the industrial sector. So, by this process, we may aware what is the quality of environment to be kept in future endeavors. Thank you.